this one? What this one doing? What this one is doing is she's foraging. She's foraging her toy that's filled with snacks. Let's see. What's this bird doing? What's this? What's that, puppy? What's that, puppy? Foraging. That's puppy's foraging toy. We fill it up with her favorite snacks, all wrapped up in telephone paper, because supposedly it's soy ink, yeah? And then we put it in there, and she forages through that toy. It's a lot of work. It needs to be done to get the favorite snacks. Sure. It needs to be done, doesn't it, puppy? Just like in the wild. Yeah. I love you too, puppy. What are you doing? What are you doing?